Good evening, everyone. This is just an impromptu here from Judy Allen, San Antonio, Texas. Adventurous Stamping. I'm also known as Nana with Zoe Nana Stamping. So I just want to briefly show you for the guys kit because it is one of the kits that's going to be in the BOGO sale starting June 1st, where you buy a kit and you get another kit for half price. So I just want to show them to you so you can see what it is that's going on and why it's a big thing. Because all the while supplies last. And I'm showing you some of my faves and the stuff that I've already done. And the one I'm going to show you, I've already completed. I have maybe one example. I'm not even sure you can have that. That's not even made yet, all right? But I want to show you because it is simple, and I just want you to know what's inside the kits because that's what everybody always asks me is what's in the kit, all right? So I'm going to show you. So you're going to ask me. If you ask me, I'll still tell you. So there you go. Let's go down the hands and let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is what Stampin' Up! Has their own kits besides Paper Pumpkin, and they all come in a brown box. And it's to inspire, they say inspire, create, and share. I always talk about creating, sharing, and giving. And these are a nice set of cards that they have created for the guys. Because a lot of the stuff, isn't specifically designed for the guys, but, we create it as anybody wants to. But these are specifically created for the guys. And I wanted to show you because everything is in the kit. All right, I'll show you right here. So you get the envelopes, you get all the pieces that you need to make the cards. You get the acrylic block. I'm going to show you that in a minute. You get the stamp set, and you get an ink spot. And I'll show you exactly what that is. And then you get picture instructions. So it tells you not only what's in the cards, what you're going to make. So there's only 2 designs in this particular kit. It shows you what each is going to be, the supplies you need for it. And then it shows you the instructions step by step. All right? So that's really nice. I really like that. And I'm going to show you what I've already made. Here's the ink spot. It's just a 1-inch by 1-inch ink that you use to stamp your stamps here and do the stamping. And you can see there's a variety here. You got Father's Day, birthday, anniversary, thank yous. They've included nephew, son, brother, uncles, grandson, fathers in here, friend. So it's covering all the aspects of giving something to the guys, which is really nice. Here's the acrylic block that comes with it. Mine might be a little dirty there because I've been touching mine, but I've used it. But that's what you get, and that's what the stamps go on, so you can ink them up and stamp. And I'll show you the cards I've already made. See, these are already scored, so everything it tells you in the instructions lets you know that these are already scored and that they come up like this. But all you're doing is assembling the die cuts that have already been cut out, and you're just putting it together and putting the cards together. So I've got here 1, 2, 3 of this design. Let's see if I got some more. 4. And I just rearranged them. You can see how I did it to you. And I just stamped the design here because I could. Let's see if I stamped it here. I even see here's when I put happy birthday and I stamped it there. This was for Father's Day. I didn't do anything with that yet. This is just a thank you. Let's see what we got here. I see a stamp there too. So I did a couple of thank yous. I just did that. And then you can see I did one happy anniversary, a birthday, and I just changed them just a little bit. This is what you saw. These you just put down. Again, it's got adhesive in the kit already. So there's nothing you have to buy beyond the kit. Everything you need is in the kit. And you can change the wording around any way you want. You can stamp on the inside if you want or not. But out of this kit, you see I did happy birthday today and I did happy birthday. Let's see if I stamped anything there. And I just did that. So you can stamp on the inside if you want to. You can write a hand message. You can do anything you want. But out of this, there's a total of 10 cards to be made. I have a couple pulled out for my senior living facility because there's a gentleman that wants to make a card for his son for Father's Day. So I had that set aside for him. So I wanted to show you because they're all very pretty and they look very, very nice, just so you know what's in the kits. So there's just an impromptu, short and simple that I wanted to do to show you that what was in the For the Guys kit. If you're interested in the kit, I've got the link right there with the video that you can just click on the link and it'll take you and you get more information. If you want to purchase it, you can do that too. It's all up to you. But I just want to make it simpler for you to see what it really looks like versus just a picture on a page and, just showing you a box, right? But it comes all very nicely wrapped on the inside. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, be sure to share it. And, don't forget to make a card for Father's Day. Whether it's for me, I've got 3 sons. I've got a couple of them that are fathers. And I have other family members that are fathers. Some friends that are fathers that I get them a Father's Day card too, as well as a father-in-law. So there you go. So many opportunities for birthdays. I've got a grandson that's a father. So there you go. And the list goes on. So there's no reason why you cannot make a gift. You create it, share it, and then give it. All right. I will see you next time with another example of kits that are going to be on the BOGO sale. Thank you. See you later.